Welcome to this presentation on the leadership management theory, power and influence. Before defining the theory, we'll cover the sources of power, traits of powerful and influential leaders, risks of applying the style, and we will also identify a contemporary example. What is power and influence? Power is the potential capacity to influence employees and stakeholders, whereas influence is the ability to gain acceptance from those stakeholders of one's ideas and requests. Influence requires a level of power, and it is inherent in all true leaders. However, if it's not applied correctly, it can deteriorate over time. Leaders cannot solely rely on their positional power to achieve their goals and need to inspire and motivate as well to be truly influential. Powerful leaders have a specific skill set, and this includes the ability to rally resources, cultivate an environment or culture, empower employees, overcome resistance, drive productive work, and achieve organizational goals. Emotional power can be detrimental to one's engagement. Coercive power is the ability to punish for non-compliance. Reward power comes from one's ability to issue benefits or rewards. And legitimate power is ultimately using the rights of one's title to issue requests and demands. Personal power, on the other hand, is more likely to create a positive and sustained influence amongst followers. The two main types of personal power is expert and referent. Expert power refers to the experience, knowledge, and skills in a subject matter, where referent power is based on respect, trust, loyalty, and leading by example. Transformational leaders predominantly use personal power and are generally regarded as the most effective influencers. They are more likely to achieve goals, overcome resistance, and implement change when compared to their positional power counterparts, as they have the respect and buy-in from their followers. Elon Musk is one of the world's most influential businessmen. As an entrepreneur, Forbes listed Musk as the 21st most powerful person on the planet and the 54th richest. The former head of human resources at SpaceX is quoted as saying, "The thing that makes Elon Elon is his ability to make people believe in his vision." At the age of 10, Musk taught himself computer programming before starting a web software company called Zip2 at the age of 25. His next company was later acquired by PayPal, which was then sold to eBay for $1.5 billion. He is now the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla and aims to colonize Mars with 80,000 people by 2040.
Strengths of Elon Musk. The strengths portrayed in this slide are what make him a great leader. He can use these strengths to his advantage and power play, therefore making it possible for him to use his power and influence to achieve his goals and build a great business with hard-working employees. Criticism of Musk's leadership. Here are some of his weaknesses that can affect his leadership style. The points in this slide are the most negative in nature towards his leadership style. These weaknesses can cause power and influence to be overturned, therefore inhibiting his ability to achieve goals. Leadership style of Elon Musk. In this slide, we can see some of Elon's beliefs and norms he uses to lead his employees to inspire and innovate new ideas. He believes that greatness is expected from all his employees, thus he is able to achieve brilliance in whichever industry he pursues.
By the same token, Musk understands that the vision of his organizations must be clear, and he must lead with purpose and by example. By setting high expectations and be willing to break boundaries, Elon Musk continues to be respected and has employees that are willing to follow in his successes and his failures. Empowerment is a vital part of influence. To remove any hurdles and obstacles and encourage employees is to empower them to achieve the organization's goals and vision. To have the ability to greatly empower a group of individuals is to have a strong amount of power over their actions and mindset. Leaders can empower individuals by aligning the values of the individual with the organization's values. They can also ensure that the employees are competent in their tasks and they also are determined to meet their metrics. Employees should also be credited with the outcome of their work.
Elon's future business plans. Elon Musk is a fast-moving entrepreneur with a lot of new and innovative ideas that can benefit the society we live in. He has many plans to help improve global problems such as traffic and the medical sector, where he plans to help repair one's mental disabilities through technology. Power and influence, synergizing with Elon's plans. Here we can see how Elon's power and influence can be used to develop his business ventures. By using his influence, he is able to speed up the process in starting new ventures and raising funds, as well as achieving his goals much quicker through his power. Power and influence can be detrimental. Elon's weaknesses can cause this style of leadership some problems, making him a less effective leader. One of his weaknesses are Elon Musk is very emotive, which can make him unpredictable. Thus, employees would fear to come forth with new ideas. How Elon can use power and influence. This slide portrays Elon's weaknesses and the certain problems he may encounter with his style of leadership. He can use power and influence to improve on them, thus creating a much more powerful style of leadership. In conclusion, power and influence is a very dominant style of leadership and can be used to build great businesses and lead various types of individuals. This leadership style is used by many great leaders such as Elon Musk because of its power to control large sums of people and influence power holders and situations towards whichever direction is needed to benefit both parties.